Hello, welcome to Graceful Grammar Lessons. This lesson will cover the words whose and whose. Let's look at each one individually. Whose, a contraction for who is or who has. For example, who's going to the concert tonight? Who is going to the concert tonight? Who's finished with their homework? Who has finished their homework? Whose, a possessive form of who, indicating ownership or a relationship. For example, whose jacket is this on the chair? I met a woman whose son plays soccer. To summarize, whose, who is or has. Contraction, whose, of whom. Possessive. If you can replace it with who is or who has, use whose. If it indicates possession, use whose. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a lesson.